Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're looking at Polestar. Polestar and Luminar expands their partnership to include the Polestar 5. That would be the Sport GT sedan. It's going to be a real killer of a car. So under existing partnership, Luminar supplies Lidar for Polestar 3. The new expanded partnership extends scope to further cars, including the Polestar 5 now. Now, as we know so far, the Polestar 3 SUV will come with Lidar, now available to order at the Polestar website. Once again, though, this is not financial advice, it's just for educational purposes. Now, the utilization of Lidar technology continues to gain momentum as the global focus on the next generation of safety and autonomy increases. The expanded partnership provides a foundation to collaborate on the industrial design and integration of Luminar 3D laser scanning technology, which will be featured on Polestar future cars. Now also including the Polestar 5, the electric 4-door GT expected to launch in 2024, next year. Really exciting time to be a Polestar fan. And this will be based on the Polestar Precept concept car. Now it says here that the two companies have an existing partnership via Volvo Cars for Luminar to supply the Lidar technology for Polestar 3. Polestar first SUV was launched and went on a scale in initial launch. Luminar have been brought forward, enabling customers to place orders now, with deliveries expected in 2024. So we do have a quote from Thomas Ingloth, Polestar CEO, and I quote, "Luminar is at the forefront for long-range LiDAR technology, and this closer collaboration allows for greater innovation in our cars to come. We look forward to combining our R&D and product design expertise to deliver truly stunning LiDAR integration and capabilities for Polestar brands." Further, we have a quote from the CEO of Luminar, CEO and founder, that's Austin Russell, and I quote, "As we successfully executed together, Polestar's conviction in Luminar and the value of our technology Polestar conviction in Luminar and the value of our technology has continued to accelerate. With this new expanded partnership and our shared pioneering spirit, we will push the boundaries of automotive technology and design into new territories of the next generation," says Austin Russell. There's also some additional notes from Polestar themselves. Orders for Polestar through Lidar from Luminar starts in all European and North American Polestar markets on the 2nd of February. Orders in Australia follow slightly later in February and are planned to start in China from mid-April. Now, orders in all other Polestar markets are expected to start at a later date. Deliveries of orders for Polestar 3 without Lidar, which opened on the day of the world premiere, the 12th of October 2022, they're expected in Q4 of 2023. So at the end of this year, Q4, Polestar 3 vehicles will be making their first delivery, and those will be the vehicles without Lidar. And additionally, the first deliveries of the Polestar 3 with Lidar are expected in late 2024. That's next year, the end of next year. That's almost 2 years away. That's a long wait. That's 2023 and 2024, late 2024. So there is no change to the existing expected delivery timing on Polestar 3 overall, or the series production timing of Luminar's Lidar independent of Polestar. Very, very interesting stuff from Polestar. We also have some new images of the Polestar 3 and they look stunning. Particularly, perhaps my favorite is this one just overlooking the ocean, and the car in all its glory, in all its beauty, looks absolutely amazing. Naturally, I want to download these images in HD versions so we can use these images. They look absolutely amazing. I'm about to write an article about this and I'll most likely use these images. Wow, just incredible. So that's some of the latest information on Polestar. There's also some additional information on Polestar Zero project. We'll probably talk about that in another video or a blog post. But what's really amazing is that once again, Polestar is here to confirm with you that the first deliveries of the Polestar 3 will be going out in Q4 this year. I'm not too sure on specific locations for these vehicles. How about Europe? How about America? How about China? I'm not sure which market will get these vehicles first. However, it's really exciting. Now, before we close out this video, the market is closed, but we have to look at our favorite share, PSNY stock, of course. I've got to say, we made some big movements on the 2nd today. There's been some big movements, seriously. It's gone from around $5.71 to as high as $6.41. Very impressive from Polestar. Currently sitting at above 13 billion in market cap. Very impressive. That's what I like to see throughout the entire day. It's almost gained at 10%, 9.6%. Very impressive for Polestar. So you can clearly see that over the entirety of the last month, of the last 30 days, this is majority of January, of course, the share has been doing relatively well. It has been gaining momentum and gaining value. Yes, there's been plenty of time when the market has completely gone down and Polestar share has gone down as well. Couple of these indicators, 19th of January, Polestar took a big hit that day. But once again, it rose up and we saw it again, 25th of January, it took another big hit. And once again, it looks like it wanted to recover just slightly. So there's a big resistance around $5.30, around $5.40. There's huge resistance for Polestar share, which is good. That's exactly what we need. Resistance in the market. And once again, we saw a dip on the 1st of February, between the 1st and the 31st of January. So that's really interesting once again. Just like previous pattern, the market is going back up. Polestar share is going back up. And you know, Polestar does move with the market quite regularly. It does move with the market, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. So that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to see more. Leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.